In this video, we will explore the AutoCAD user interface. We'll start in the upper left corner of the screen with the application menu. Clicking the application menu gives us access to common commands such as new, open, save, and print. Just to the right is the quick access toolbar. As the name indicates, it gives us quick access to many of the tools available in the application menu, such as new, open, save, and print. It also gives us access to the undo and redo functions. Over to the right is our info center, which is also our help function. So if you need any help with any commands, you can simply type in here and press enter. Next we have the ribbon. The ribbon is where most of your tools are located. The ribbon has several tabs, such as the Home, Insert, and Annotate tabs. Each tab has several panels. The Home tab has the Draw, Modify, Annotation, etc. Each panel has several different commands inside of it. And most of the panels also have a flyout where you can access even more commands from that section. Just below that are our File tabs. File tabs show up for each open drawing and are a quick way to switch between open drawings. Then of course we have the drawing window itself, as well as the AutoCAD crosshairs. Located in the upper left corner of the drawing window are some options for changing the display of the view. This is especially good for 3D modeling. Similarly, on the right side of the screen is the view cube. The view cube also gives us a way to switch between 3D views. Below the view cube is our navigation bar. The navigation bar gives us access to tools such as zoom and pan. In the lower left corner of the drawing window is the UCS or User Coordinate System icon. The UCS icon indicates the direction of X, Y, as well as Z, which is coming up straight at us in the third dimension. Perhaps the most important feature of the AutoCAD user interface is the command line. Every command, regardless of how it's entered into AutoCAD, will go into the command line. The command line will often step you through the command that you're using, and it also will show you some options that you can apply to the command. It is extremely important to pay attention to the command line, especially as a new user of AutoCAD. In the lower left corner, we have our Model and Layout tabs. The Layout tabs allow us to set up our drawings to print to specific size sheets of paper, as well as specific printers. The Model tab is where we do the bulk of our drawing. At the very bottom of the screen, we have our status bar. The status bar includes several different functions for allowing us to draw more efficiently in AutoCAD. This concludes our look at the AutoCAD user interface.